Let's see what's new for drawings. We'll begin by opening up the drawing for this mounting plate. Let's add some dimensions to this front view. Chain dimensions are useful for creating a stack of dimensions relative to each preceding feature. These dimensions now come in aligned collinear, reducing otherwise manual cleanup steps. In tight spots where there might be overlap, a new system option automatically offsets dimension text. On a busy 2D drawing, it can be difficult to tell what entities a dimension attaches to. Now, simply hovering over a reference dimension will highlight its attaching entities, whether they be model edges, construction geometry, or vertices. This improves drawing clarity and helps you carry forward your design intent from the model to the drawing. Sometimes you may need to manually override a dimension. That's easy to do right from the property manager. Any overridden dimension can now be highlighted with a user-specified colour. This behaviour is controlled by a document property. I'll use the property search to find it, all the way at the bottom of this screen. As you'd expect, the choice of highlight colour is set as a system option. Restoring one or more overridden values is easily done through the right mouse menu. Collaborating with other SOLIDWORKS users who may be on previous software versions can be a challenge. It's now possible to save your drawings, parts and assemblies back to prior releases. When you save the drawing, it will also collect any reference documents, append a suffix or prefix, or use the advanced options for additional control over file names and locations. I'll bring up my recent file lists, letter R shortcut, to switch over to this sub-assembly drawing. I'll create a note attached to this ISO view. New for this release, the Link to Property dialog stays open so you can create text strings composed of multiple property links. This is a big time saver for creating compound notes. As you'd expect, when I switch the model configuration for this drawing view, the custom property information updates seamlessly. But changing the model configuration on these views causes a few of my reference dimensions to go dangling. Now you can simply right-click on any dangling drawing dimension and choose Reattach. The red X indicates an entity is missing, so now you just pick a new reference. Now my drawing is complete with a minimum amount of rework.